Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika. Today I am here to create this very quick blue easy smoky eye. So if you'd like to see, please keep on watching. I want this to be a beginner friendly video. For this look, I'm using the One Size by Patrick Starrr, the Visionary palette. You get these really pretty colors in here. I'm gonna use these on this side for this look. The first step of flawless eyeshadow, I always say, is a primer. And you would need a primer, but you need to prime your skin so that way the eyeshadow holds on to your skin better. And also the primer helps the eyeshadow from creasing. It gives it a longer wear. If you don't have a primer, that's okay. You can also use a concealer, as I usually use my concealer. If I don't have my primer, I use a concealer. Today I'm using the Anastasia primer for priming. The Tarte blending brush from maybe 2 or 3 years ago, holiday collection. I just had a lot of those. And I'm also using a flat brush from Morphe, and this was part of the Sweetie brush set that she released last year. And then I also have another smaller blending brush. I have a flat brush, a bigger blending brush, and a small blending brush. And that's all I'll be using for this look today. So grab your brushes and come, let's get it going. This dark shade right here, Turban Legend. We're gonna dip into this one just to help create the more dark base, as this is gonna be a blue smoky eye. So I wanna make it a bit dark. And I'm not gonna blend it, I'm just patting this on to the corner of the eye just to create that area. You see? Like so. This is a really small brush, so you don't put too much, as I don't want to put too much black on this one. I don't want to make it like a black smoky eye, but a blue smoky eye. And then we're gonna go on the inner corner as well with some of the black. Take your time with eyeshadow. Take your time and blend it really gently. And I'm bringing it in to connect at the top like so. And I'm not gonna add any more black. I'm just gonna use what I have to work with it from here. And this is the part where I'm gonna start blending it out. Next, I'm gonna use the bigger blending brush, and I'm gonna dip into the blue shade in here. And I feel like this one is perfect for a Christmas holiday look, as I love doing blue. And I'm gonna start at the ends first, and I'm gonna start right at the outer corner with this blue. And it's really an intense blue, as you can see. With a really rich color payoff. That's why I chose this one for this particular look, as this is really a beautiful blue. This is pretty. You always lightly dip into eyeshadow. You don't want to pick up a lot of eyeshadow and say that it had fallout. I feel like that's what creates fallout. No rush. Very gentle. I'm doing here really beautiful. That is looking so pretty. So pretty already. dip into this one. Really pretty gray. And I'm gonna use the flat brush to dip into this gray. Are actually watercolors, so you have to wet them to activate them. You get some really nice, you get some really pretty colors in here in this one. And I'm gonna dip into this blue that you see right there. And so you would wet the brush to activate the formula in here. And comment below if you want me to do a full review on this palette. I'll be more than happy to do so. And I always start like right at the tip of my eye, and I go all the way up halfway, and you stop right there halfway, like so. Really pretty blue UV line, just to brighten this blue look up a bit. Just to save time, I am gonna do the other eye off camera. As you see, this very quick, easy blue look turned out really lovely. It's really easy to do. If there's anything you didn't understand about it, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section. I mean, do you love it? Do you love blue eyeshadows like I do? I mean, I love all eyeshadows actually. This particular palette was very easy to use, and this UV palette is very easy as well. It's a water activated palette, which makes it really nice as well. I hope this very easy and quick Christmas look was helpful to someone. That's what I had in mind creating this look, was Christmas. But like I said, I really hope it was easy for you to understand this look. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.